When I started out on my cake decorating journey, I hit my first hurdle when it came to making characters out of gum paste. I will tell you a story of mine as an example. So it was my very first wedding cake order, and I was so excited to offer my clients the opportunity to have handcrafted bride and groom toppers to place upon their cake. I was even going to make these characters look just like them, wearing the same wedding day outfits that they had chosen. I set out and watched a basic tutorial online, and man, was I proud of what I had made. Yeah, I sent those pictures to my friends and family. The big day arrived, and I just needed to finish the cake by adding these toppers. Well, all did not go to plan. Firstly, I had not anticipated that my characters would be too wide for the 4-inch tier that they were sitting on, so already I was starting to sweat. Then, and this is the only breakage I have ever had in my career, touch wood, because obviously I have learnt my lesson. As I squeezed my beautiful bride figure onto that tier, her arm completely disintegrated. I was devastated. That may be an understatement. My hands were trembling so much. What have I done, and how do I fix this? The toppers I was so proud of were broken. I managed to fix it with very shaky hands. But after this incident, I knew I had to go away and learn from the experts so that this would never happen again. Now I share these skills with you in my 4th Skillshare class, creating this beautiful bridal cake topper. Of course, a groom will be on his way, but for now we're really going to concentrate on proportions, using the correct materials to make sure that all your characters are very sturdy and you can transport these without any breakages. We'll look at how to add character to their faces, how to easily mold a face with really defining shapes, how to make arms, and also how to add those finishing touches that really make these characters very personal. Many of you may have just steered clear of making characters altogether, but I promise you with this class it really will build your confidence in how to make models. The skills that you are going to learn in this class will be easily transferable to all your other modelling work. Soon you'll be creating an array of different characters. To join my class, just click on the referral link in the comment section below. You will get 2 months free access to hundreds of classes, and you can cancel at any time. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful bride topper amongst other incredible decorations, just head over to Skillshare now. I can't wait to see you guys over there and start to see the incredible characters that you're going to produce.